Hey guys, John Boston Style Racing. Today I got my 2019 Ducati Multistrada here. Yeah, and see how the mount for the windshield goes up and down. When the windshield's on there, you can't clean behind it. You know, you can kind of fish a rag down in there and get a little bit, but it gets all dirty up underneath here, and yeah, you just can't clean it. You have to remove it to clean it. So I'm going to paint the bottom half of it up to about here or so black, and so then you don't have to clean behind it. You clean the front of it, it's going to look fine. So let's follow along and see how that goes. Okay, we're inside now, and I've painted the back side of windshields plenty of times and it turns out okay. Even if you use flat black paint, it comes out shiny on the other side, looks great. So, but I wanted something a little bit different here. So I just took this off the internet and printed it out. And then I'm putting painter's tape on the back side. I'm gonna follow the outline, cut it out, and stick it onto the windshield, spray it black, and then when I peel this off, I can paint this part a different color, and then just spray back black again on the back. So the back side will be completely black, but this will have a little bit of an outline of the Ducati symbol. At least that's my plan. We'll see how it goes. Okay, I have the outline cut out, and I'm not going to cut around the Ducati letters, but I am going to cut out the roadway in the middle. So it'll be two separate pieces that I'll have to attach to the windshield. I already did this once, like this, but I put all the tape down, face down on the paper, and I just can't get an edge of it to start. So I threw that away. I printed another one, and on this one I put a little piece of paper underneath the edge of the tape here, so hopefully there will be a little space in between where I can get an edge on this and peel it back. Hopefully. Well, it came off, but it didn't come off exactly as I planned. The tape stuck to some of the paper. So some of the paper is still on the tape, so it's not sticking to the windshield like I wanted. Just the edges are up. But I think if I spray, when I direct the spray, if I go just down on it, I think it'll get about what I want, because the colors I'm using are almost the same. I'm using black and gunmetal gray, so it was supposed to look a little rough and shadowy, ghostly anyway. So we'll see. Okay, so there's what the spray looks like. You can see, it bled under the corners a little bit here and there. It's not quite as clean as I would have liked, but once we see what the final product looks like, then we'll hold judgment until then, huh? Okay, well, finished product here. You can see where it didn't stick because the paper was stuck to the tape. It sprayed under there a little more than I had envisioned. It kind of almost doesn't even look like the Ducati logo, but I'm John Boston. I've screwed up before, and I'm sure I'll screw up again. So you guys take a lesson from me, and if you're gonna do this, either put some more effort into it, or you can see by the black part, if I would have painted the whole thing black, it turns out fine. I've done that several times, and it's great. I wanted to be able to see through the top part still, because it's kind of tall, windscreen being a sport touring bike. And then I did another band here where I just tapered it. I only did a quick light spray on that, so it's like all black solid and then kind of speckled and then clear. And the logo, could have been better. But hey, if you want to see me screw up stuff some more, hit subscribe. I mess stuff up all the time, so you don't have to. Oh, in case you guys are worried, I did order another screen. Puig, or however you say it, Puig. I got one of those. It's going to be a little taller, block more wind, and so you know it's a win-win. I got to show you guys how I can screw stuff up, and I get a new windscreen out of the deal. So thanks for watching. Catch you next time. And there we have it. That's how it looks on the bike. I mean, looks okay, looks kind of crappy. Depends on where you're standing. Yeah, almost. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss more stupid stuff like this. Okay guys, I just had to add in here that this is the new windshield, and see how the black turns out pretty nice. I gave up on trying to put a logo on it, but yeah, I was much more careful in masking this one off. So I'm not going to have overspray on anything here. And once I get it on the bike, I'll come back, give you another quick shot of it. Here we are, finished product. You can see the only little specks and spots you see is some lint from the towel I used to clean it off after I installed it. You can see the black part is just black and nice. Not a darn thing wrong with that. And then get it from the back side here, and you can see just this part down low, down below the adjuster, is where it's all black, right where you can't clean. So this one's a winner. If I just hadn't messed up that other one, I wouldn't have had an excuse to buy this one. Well, this is truly the end now. Thanks for watching, guys.